NEET is coaching. I think Speed is one of the top-notch institute for coaching. Almost every sessions and every classes are MCQ-based classes. So that helps us in dissecting each and every question. There is no shortage of any kind of study material in Speed. Never. The way of teaching is ultimate. It helped me a lot, sir.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Karthik for scoring a topmost rank of 520 in MCQ's surgical group in Super Speciality exam of NEET SS 2025. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir.
So can we get started? I mean, also before that, I want to thank you for allocating your time, valuable time to share your experiences and with us and also to the students.
Sir, I would like to thank you too, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Very nice. And also, once again, I congratulate you for making it happen and making all the success for yourself.
Yes,
And
sir.
can I know what super specialty you're interested in?
Sir, as I said in the classes also, I was just confused between.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
CTVS.
So that was I was in confusion. Still, I'm in confusion because now I got a good rank. So I was thinking of surgical oncology and CTBS and neurosurgery. Even my last exam also, like I got a decent rank, but I was not getting all the branches. So like I was in a dilemma because in my DLB course, I have did 6 months of oncosurgery and 6 months of plastic surgery. So I was exposed to oncosurgery for nearly for a year. So I was inclined towards oncosurgery since my post graduation, and after that, during my SRship, also I was thinking of between the both of them because I also had experience of CTVS. So both are adrenaline rush branches, including neurosurgery. So I was in dilemma. So now I've got a rank. So still I have to decide, sir. So now maybe I'm more inclined towards oncosurgery, sir.
Okay, very good. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
So, but your answers for CTVS are up to the point.
Yes, sir. Sir, because the last exam which I gave in the March, the more weightage was given to CTVS. So I prepared to the core for the CTVS. I did some 2 to 3 times revision, and later the live class was started and started to attend, and I felt every question was easy to answer.
Great. And you are very, very sincere and dedicated and shown up for all the sessions of live sessions.
Yes, sir.
And I really congratulate you and I'm very happy for you.
Thank you,
And
sir.
because of your dedication, it happened.
Yes, sir. Sir,
And
no, sir. Like my dedication, sir. As you always say, students are our heroes. But I would like to say, without director, there is no hero.
it talks good about you.
Sir, you
So,
are our director. If you want to show us in a particular platform in such a way, then I don't think so any hero could imagine in such platform.
good, good. Thanks for sharing. And
Yes, sir.
can you share from which medical college you started, from
Yes,
where
sir.
you did? I mean, can you tell us UG, PG, all this kind of your accomplishments?
Sure, sir. Basically, I'm from Karnataka, and I did my UG from Mysore Medical College, that is in Mysore. And after my MBBS, I did my DNB surgery from Batra Hospital, South Delhi. And later, I got married just after the post graduation. So I was still thinking like whether I should opt for super specialty, I should continue my SRship, or I was in a dilemma. So in dilemma, I always think of one principle in my life, like I should live a life with no regrets. So with a partner beside me who was flexible in all the ways of life, so I thought, okay, I will explore. Marriage was done, and I was in Mysore, and I took the car and I opened the India map, and I traveled all across the country. I touched Kanyakumari, then I went back to Delhi all along the map, wherever, whichever city I like to explore. Then once I reached Delhi, then within a year I touched both the tips of India by road. Then, like with her, life was too good. Like within 2 years, we traveled 10 countries, and after 2 years, I was like, okay, I think I should focus back to my career. After 2 years of exploring, so I felt like I should focus more on my career now. Top rankers were from Speed. As you already know, most of the toppers were from MMC and BMC from Mysore. And I was inclined towards Speed since then. Then I got to know my friends who got good rank in Speed. So I was like, okay, I think I should give a try for it. After my 2 years of my exploring, I thought I should focus on my career. Speed since my UG days and in my PG days. And I got to know many of my friends and seniors who got good rank from speed. So I started coaching from speed, but I was not that much serious because after 2 years of gap, I was not much inclined towards the focus of reading through MCQ and NEET as pattern. But NEET as coaching, I think Speed is one of the top-notch institute for coaching because the language of exam is MCQ, and almost every sessions and every classes are MCQ-based classes. So that helps us in dissecting each and every question in a particular way that how we can solve in the exam. And there is no shortage of any kind of study material in Speed. Never. As you always say, students will never go run out of study material. So I knew that. And also, if you want to be in the top, then you need to read between the lines. And I focus more on it. Like there shouldn't be a single word which should be out of my box. So I think Speed suited my choice of coaching. And then I joined Speed and I got a decent rank in March, sir. I got a 2000 plus rank, but I was not happy. So then then I was in dilemma whether to take neurosurgery CTVS. And I thought well, I should give it another try because, again, the same principle. I shouldn't have any regrets in the later part of my life. So then I started again. I started revisions. Then I started attending the live classes. In the initial days, I was not answering much in the chat box because I was not much confident. Like many other like students were like answering each and every question. I was like, then in your classes, you started brainwashing,
Yeah.
and that like sparked me. Like I know this, I know that. Why can't I answer? Let me try. Even if I'm wrong, that helps me keeping that memory for a long time. So even you focused on it. So I was like, okay, I started answering, and that boosted my confidence. And the prize money which you gave in the live classes, that yeah, doubled my confidence. And yes, and in the exam, it helped me a lot, sir.
Great, great. Wonderful. Brief sharing. Very good. Excellent. Thank you. And great words. And also want to know about the paper and what did you feel about the
Yes,
paper?
sir.
How many questions were you able to do in this paper?
Like students who have prepared hardcore, I don't think so. This paper helped us because it was more of a straightforward and easy paper. And I finished my section C in like 40 minutes. Like I had 10 minutes left at the end of the paper. Like never before this has happened. So this was much of a downside for us who prepared in a very deeper way. So in that kind of thing, I think speed papers, mock exams were almost close to the. I was thinking that while giving the mock exams, why are so much straightforward? Because NEET has focused more on lengthier options, lengthier questions. But on the day of exam, while I saw the questions, I was like, "Speed to sahi hai, bhai."
Okay. Now, what is the message you want to give for the future aspirants of MCH surgical group?
Yes, sir. Like, if I had to talk with respect to speed, sir, speed is hell lot of folders are there. You need to focus on the folders first. What are the folders? What are the sections that you need to see? Then categorize. If you ask me, my way of preparation is first go with masterclass classes, which is a mix of semester, daily, and smarts. So after completing those topics, then we can shift to super specialty based classes. Then not everything in super specialty. Light surgery only 4 chapters from Prashant sir and CTVS Arun Kumar sir, ultimate sir. Like no words for him, no words for him. Like he didn't leave us even a single doubt within us. He explained everything, every question, how to dissect every question. And Basant sir also ultimate sir. His class was like even if you watch once, next day we can open on the day of previous day of exam also we can remember those kind of topics. The way of teaching is ultimate. And urology Farooq sir is also is too good, sir. The neurosurgery classes, Satish sir was also too good. So I had to read everything like 15 chapters in every section,
Mhm.
twice and thrice. So that was like time consuming, but at the same time I gained the knowledge. So after that, I started Bailey based classes. Bailey based classes is 2 hours, so we need to have more time to read. We cannot keep those memories for a long time. We need to revise more. So starting with all these three, and then you can focus more on general surgery. Uh, so that's it, sir. And more of MCQ, nothing else. Mock exam, yes, you need to be in the MCQ mindset. So in order to achieve a good rank, I made some 3 to 4 silly mistakes on the day of exam only. I got to know. I still repeat for those 3 4 questions. So simple questions. I still don't know how I got those wrong. So, but still, I'm happy for the decent rank which is good, sir.
Great, great, wonderful, amazing. Thanks for sharing it, and it's very, very useful. And now, time to thank, and whom all you want to thank. You feel that they stood by you, helped you from day one till date. You can use the platform to thank everybody.
Yes, sir. First and foremost, obviously, it has to be you, sir. The master of the master of super specialty coaching. I think no one come close to your knowledge with such kind of hold you have. Like you, if I tell if we tell a topic like salivary glands, you know how many topics they will ask. You can name those topics like which MCQs they are focusing on, and you will name it within a minute. You won't even take a second thought. So, with such kind of a great and strong knowledge on the subject, when you being a director of the coaching and as reaching this level. So I would thank you, sir, for the this thing and all the speed faculty who helped us in getting the good rank. And I would thank my parents and my constant support, my partner, my wife. So she deserves separate respect from my end because she was with me in all along the course. Even if I didn't get a good rank in the previous year, she was like, okay, no issues, you can go ahead with the next time. You don't need to worry about anything. We can go through this. So she helped me a lot in this. So I would thank her and my sister and my Rija and every person who crossed my path, my juniors, my seniors, everybody who taught me, my MBBS teachers or my PG teachers, whoever helped me, I would thank them. And last but not the least, I think the butterfly effect, like everybody who crosses my path in at some point of time, created this effect in this particular point of my life. So I would thank all the people who crossed my path and helped me score this time.
Very good, excellent. Too good you are. And can I share you something?
Sure, sir.
All, all the students who I met in the live class,
Yes, sir.
all of them have, I have made interview with everybody.
Yes, sir. So, yeah, you've been telling me since a year, sir. So, that also back of the mind that I should attend the live classes. I should give my best out of it so that one day I can have this seat of interview with you. So, this is that day, sir. So, much happy and much proud.
And I also told you that this, all of you attending here, you have surpassed the standard of exam. You are beyond the standard of exam, and you're all bound to get everybody has got.
Yes, sir.
Every student who was in the chat box and everybody in the classroom.
Yes,
And
sir.
overall, all the students who were trusted the program, trusted the faculties, trusted the mentor, all have done amazingly well and have got a very good rank and the seat of the choice.
Yes, sir.
I'm very, very happy for this batch, especially of students who are very, 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 very dedicated. Not only that, they follow things meticulously. Whatever we have given instructions, whatever we have advised, everything was followed. And that was very good. The discipline was very good. And that showed up in the results.
Yes,
And
sir.
I'm very happy for all of you, and especially for you, because
Yes,
you're very active among all and attending every day's live sessions without fail, and also participating in the live sessions in the chat box and answering all the questions. And you will be one day a great teacher. And as you what you have learned, keep teaching the students as wherever
thank you,
you
sir. Thank you,
and
sir.
and I wish you all the best and all the success for a great and amazing career for whatever the super specialty you're going to choose. And keep in touch. God bless you.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for giving me the opportunity to talk with you in person. So, thanks again, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes.